Let's obtain the value of 2.75 raised to the power of 1 plus log of 10 with the base of 2.75. So here what we can do, we can break this down into two exponents. So we'll have 2.75 raised to the power of 1 multiplied to 2.75 raised to the power of log of 10 with a base of 2.75. So here we have used the fact that if we have a raised to the power of b plus c, that this can be broken down as a raised to the power of b multiplied to a raised to the power of c. So this will be equals to, so we have 2.75 times. Now here we have to use the property of logarithm. So that is a raised to the power of log of b with the base of a is equivalent to a, meaning the base of the exponent, which is a, and the base of the logarithm a, if both of them are same, then this becomes equal to b. So in our case, we have the base of the exponent, which is 2.75, and the base of the logarithm is 2.75 as well. That means our value reduces to 10. Now 2.75 times 10, that will be 27.5. So this is going to be the value of 2.75 raised to the power of 1 plus log of 10 with a base of 2.75.